Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Anggraini. You should call me Anggi, and I would like to tell you about the open boat story. Okay everyone, let's get started. Story of the open boat, but briefly. Dell tells the story of a man who sails in a small boat through thick fog on the high seas. On his way, he found a sailing ship with the size large that is boat. Firstly, he tried to check the ship and tried to call someone who might be on board, but no one answered. After checking the entire room of the ship, it turned out the ship was completely empty. The ship means to be a mystery because some places, such as food, drink, are still left depicting signs of an inhabited ship. He tried calling the radio, but got no response. No, now the man must fight alone in the middle of the sea and thick fog. And the characters of the open boat. First, the captain of the ship, injured when the ship floats. Two, the cook, the ship's cook, who maintains a positive even if outlook on the men's. 3. The oiler or Billy, the only refugee from the ship to die in the final attempt at reaching land. Okay everyone, the next of lot. First, orientation. Men take to the lifeboat as the SS Commander 6. 2. Racing action. In racing action, first the captain, cook, oiler, and journalist toward land. 2. The men watch for signs of rescue but no appear. 3. The oiler and the correspondent row for over a day. And 3. Climax. The men leap from the boat and swim toward shore. And 4. Falling action. The captain, the correspondent, and the cook suffer. And then resolution, the last. The oiler's body is washed up on shore. And then I would like to tell of the conflict. They were trying to get shore. The waves were getting stronger, and this was creating a problem from them. And they had to overcome this problem if they wanted to live. And some of the people were able to, and some were not. And setting, based on the story on his own experience and in lifeboat of the coast of Florida. And then theme of the story. Theme of the story is the conflict between the man and the cold in the differency of the sea. This sea, in fact, is a character in its own right, an element force and full of the human struggle to survive. Okay, everyone, next plot summary. The story starts out with them on the lifeboat. There is really no mention of the shipwreck. They are in a lifeboat left at sea off the coast of Florida. The oiler and the correspondent are talking turns paddling with the oar they have. They think they see a lighthouse. As they try to get closer to the lighthouse, they use the captain's overcoat to make a sail. It works until the wind dies down. Then they get closer to the land and see it really is land. But they are amazed that nobody sees them. They try to paddle inland, but the waves are too damn strong and are kick the boat's ice. Also, it is too far for them to swim. So they have to wait until the sea is calmer to go inland. They paddle deeper out to sea where it is calm. Then the four guys see a man on the shore. He waves to them. They think he's gonna refuse them. But it turns out to be hotel but trophy of hotel guests. So they keep paddling. The haulier and corresponding take turns. Then when correspondent is paddling, he starts daydreaming. He thinks about the story he heard when he was younger, but alert generic soldier dying in a lager's day. Soldier just lied on the sand to die, perfectly still. Then the captain directs the guys back for another run at the shore. They go and decide to jump out and swim when they are close enough. They paddle inland and jump out and swim. They incur Captain hangs on the boat. They make it inland and people are waiting there with blankets and food. They are safe. Okay everyone, the last is moral message. Moral message is be careful in getting to know someone that sometimes his or her attitude does not match the reality. Togetherness and concern in a group are important even though they are challenge the people our group. Okay everyone, I think that's enough for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Sorry if I have mistake for the video and PPT. And the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next video everyone. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.